Wait, what? Is that what I think it is? Wow, I've never seen a Curotto Can garbage truck in person before.
Garbage Family Show.
Hey, Garbage Family Show friends. As I was saying, believe it or not, I've never seen a garbage truck with a Curotto Can in my life before. I have several first gear models of the Curotto Can, but I've never seen one in person. But we just went on an epic adventure across the United States with a stop in the city of Cleveland, Ohio. Just south of there is a small, wonderful city called Berea. So buckle up, Garbage Family Show friends, because I'm about to share with you a ton of amazing garbage truck action. This truck is driven by one of the nicest and hardest working garbage truck operators you would ever meet. And here he is, Desmond. Here I am introducing myself to him and giving him one of our YouTube stickers.
Mainly in Arizona.
He's such a nice guy. Let's follow him. For all the small kids watching, be sure to always keep a safe distance from the garbage truck because the driver may not see you. What an awesome garbage truck! Super efficient too! Unlike back in my hometown in Arizona, Desmond doesn't just pick up trash. He collects yard waste and bulk trash too. And he collects garbage cans of all different shapes and sizes. I bet it's fun to pick up different kinds of cans. Sometimes messes happen, but Desmond is right on top of it to clean it up. Good job! Time to dump the full load. Gotta watch out for the utility lines up above. Next bin's coming up. Gotta take off the lids. Be sure to pound that subscribe button because it really helps us out a lot. And also, we just passed 200,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you guys. And to show Desmond some love, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with others. I think he'd appreciate that. Shake it till you make it. I hope Desmond isn't allergic to fresh cut grass because that would be a problem. On to the next one. See me waving my hat? It's not as hot in Ohio as it is in the deserts of Arizona, but it's really humid and that makes it harder to cool off. Look who we met along the route. This is Bennett and his little brother Jack. They both love watching Garbage Family Show and happen to be out following the garbage trucks with their dad John. It was sure nice meeting you guys. Good clean dumps and on to the next ones. Smaller cans this time. He handles these different shaped cans with ease. These cans are closer together, and that can make it harder for the driver to grab. but he's skilled, so no problem. Sometimes cars are parked in the road and the driver has to get around them to collect the bins. It's even more hard with a Curotto can because of how long they can be. That could be a problem, but not this time. Ooh, he almost missed the grab on that can. We're almost to the end of this dead-end street. I wonder how he's gonna turn around this huge truck. Before we find out, let's watch him dump this full load. Now watch this skill. For safety, he honks his horn before backing up. All the way back to the edge of the woods. Gotta do it again. This is called a K-turn or a three-point turn. He does it well for being in such a huge truck and in such a tight space. One more time backwards and he should have it. Nice job! Now lower the Curotto can and get back to it. Looks like a can full of yard waste right there. Now look at this! I never see this kind of trash collection where I live. 3 bags and 2 rubber bins. He has to toss the bags in manually along with the bins.
You work hard.
Hard walking job.
Yeah.
Very hard walking. But you gotta love it, you know?
Yeah.
I love Desmond's heart. He works so hard and he just told my dad, "You gotta love what you do, then it doesn't feel like work." And boy, he loves what he does. And you wanna know something cool? We followed him for over an hour and so many people on his route came out to say hi to him. And they offered him water and sports drinks. It proves that good attitudes are contagious because he brought smiles to everyone along the streets. I wish he would come collect trash in Arizona. He would get along great with my awesome drivers. Desmond has to run and grab the cans and bring them to the truck because the wires are too low for the truck to drive under. It's a good way to get some exercise though. And back again. Now we're going to show you the versatility of the Curotto can. Not only can the Curotto can be used as a side loader garbage truck, it can also be used as a bulk trash truck. Look at how hard Desmond is working. He's throwing in bags, garden hoses, and furniture. He's such a hard worker, and he must be really strong to do this kind of stuff every day. Not to mention how it is so hot outside. Back in my hometown of Arizona, they use a rear loader garbage truck, a skid steer, and 2 to 3 men to collect bulk trash. Desmond is doing it all by himself. Amazing! Looks like Desmond has some pallets to collect.
The truck is almost packed.
Put in fast mode. Now he's got to lift it up. Let's see what happens. Up it goes. And dump. It almost fell off the sides for a moment there. Now time to lower it back down and then continue on the route. Now he's got to collect the super full tiny yard waste can. Let's see what happens. Oh, he pinched it. Good thing he got everything out, otherwise that would have been a big mess. What do we have here? A giant bulk pile and a very overfilled can. Oh no, the beam! Desmond has to get out and fix it and crush it and put it into the hopper. Now he's got to load the yard waste bags and the garbage bags into the truck by hand. Now time for the super full garbage can. Good job, Desmond. Looks like we have another bulk trash house. Time for Desmond to load everything in by hand. In fast mode. Even a kitchen table chair. Time to raise it up. Grand slam. This truck can hold a lot of waste. Desmond's shaking the Curotto can to make sure everything's out of the hopper. Looks like he got everything out. Looks like we have a small yard waste bag at this house. He gets in and out of the truck quite a bit. Looks like this is the last can of the day. Shake it till you make it. Shout out to Desmond for letting us follow him and record him on his route. You're really nice to kids, and we really appreciate that about you. It was so nice to get to know you. Hopefully we'll meet again someday. Hats off to you. Until next time.